28s, heavy Chevys, watch them skate out on the freeway. I'm cruising this on replay, never could get a ticket. Slow lane, bumping SOS band, just reminiscing.
What up, y'all? By any means game, we back with another video. So today we're on a little journey. Gotta make a little trip. So one of the homies found me a steal, a great steal, I'll say, off Marketplace. So we gonna go, you know what I'm saying, meet up with the guy. He actually, my homie, it's actually my homie Zoe. So he got his doors the other day out in the country. So he found me something for my truck, you know what I'm saying, we just need it. Definitely, like I said, steal. So we can go ahead and go check it out, you know what I'm saying, see what's up. So I just got here at the little meetup spot. He gonna come scoop me up. So we're gonna go see what's happening with this. So I'm gonna call y'all back in a minute, alright? What's up, YouTube? Huh? Yeah, I guess we gotta go back. Hold on. Let's see, we got it. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. See, we done pulled up. We done pulled up with the truck. About to go ahead and get the hood. Everything good. We done checked it out already. Everything straight. My man Zoe and the big boy. We'll take it back up the way. Man, got an OBS right there. And a Regal. Yeah, the hood right here. Everything good. A little dent, tiny dent right there. But I ain't worried about that. Way better than what I got. Way better than what I got. And got the little instrument thing right there with the light down there. Yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and load this thing up. You know what I'm saying? And shit, I'll catch y'all back on. Alright. Alright, y'all. We finna unload this hood. Shout out to my man Zoe and the workhorse. The workers got this thing. So, like I said, we're gonna go ahead and load up. We was riding in that joint, you know what I'm saying? I ain't get that much footage, you know what I'm saying? We in that joint beating and whatnot. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and load it up, you know what I'm saying? Load the hood on in the storage. And I'm gonna cut y'all back on probably with the install. I'm gonna break this video up, probably 2 videos, but yeah, we're gonna load it up and I'll hit y'all back, alright? What up, by any means game? So it's actually like a couple days after I went on that Facebook Marketplace trip. So yeah, it's like 2-3 days after. So we just doing a few interior pieces. I got the floor mats, some door handles, steering wheel cover, and a small antenna. I ain't got the door handles on me with me right now. I ain't installed them yet. We'll get that in there. And but I did install the steering wheel cover, and we about to do the antenna. And I ain't got the floor mats with me either. But let me show y'all what I'm talking about. Shout out to my man, the homie on YouTube, Spinning Riches with Jay. And shout out to my homie Zach with the Monte Carlo SS. I noticed they both had the small antennas, what I'm gonna show y'all right now. So this right here. So I think it's like a carbon fiber. So we're gonna go ahead and install that, put that on there. Shouldn't be that difficult. Seemed pretty simple when I was Spinning Riches with Jay on his channel. He was putting it on there. And already put the steering wheel cover on there. Look way better. Real nice day. So we're gonna try to knock that out. Alright, so I'll catch you back on in a minute. Try to set y'all up. Hopefully it don't fall. It is nice out here, but it's a little bit windy. Just a little bit. Got that off. Got the antenna off. I had to use some pliers. I can't do it. I try to do it with my bare hands. Couldn't do it. Got this little piece right here. It shouldn't be that difficult. Yeah, put one of these nuts on here first. Yeah, that wind's starting to blow, y'all. Let me catch y'all back on. Alright. But it looks like for my truck, y'all, I ain't even have to use all these little pieces right here. That one and that one. It just screwed right on. So I basically left that on there. Yeah, screwed on tight right there. Yeah, it ain't gonna move. So already a better look right there. A little antenna with the new mirrors. Details, y'all, details. Yeah. Yeah, a little antenna better. Like I said, a little carbon fiber on there. I don't know if y'all can see it. A little carbon fiber on there. So let me test this radio and I'll hit y'all right back. Alright. Yeah, the radio works, so we good. Yeah. Everything straight on that. Yeah, do a little way better. Stuff out the way. Yes, sir. Like I said, I just added that. Steering wheel cover, and I forgot the floor mats and the door rest. But that's the new steering wheel cover right here. Real slick. Nothing too major, something simple to match with the red around the GMC. Got the GMC mats coming with the new armrests. Got some new armrests. They should be here in a few days, so we're gonna put them on too. As you can see, just 2 screws. I don't think it's more technical than that. See, they toe up. The passenger not so bad. Passenger side, but the driver side definitely. So, I mean, with that being said, I might as well change both. So I'm gonna change that one over there too. But yeah, y'all, details, just a little stuff. You'd be surprised, the little stuff you can do makes a big difference. So I'll cut y'all back on when I put the rest of stuff in there. All right, like I said, the video may be a little broken up, but we're just trying to, you know what I'm saying, do what we can do with the time, you know what I'm saying, with the weather changing. You know, it could be a little hard with the wind or, you know, just too cold. So yeah, I'll cut y'all back on. All right. Whatever y'all by any means gang, we back. So we got everything we needed on this gloomy day. So we're gonna go ahead and knock out these last 2 little things. My man brother over there, my man brother, he said call him brother, he got a OBS 2. He across the way working on his drain. We ain't gonna bother him. He may pull up around his drain. When he leave, we'll chop it up. But yeah, I see he working on his truck too. So like I said, I ain't gonna bother him. You know what I'm saying? This is mine season. People be doing what they gotta do. You know, for spring and summer to be coming back around for the next season. But yeah, like I said, let me show y'all what we got. So we got the floor mats. They came in, and the door panels. And I got the new black screws. Came with it. Got my screwdriver on me. So as you can see, all dingy. Them screws probably rusted too. You see they mad old, so we're gonna go ahead and replace them too. That's the passenger side. Driver side. That thing bad, real bad. Show y'all. Yeah, bye-bye to them. I could clean them, but we'll see. I don't know. I got extra ones already in here now. But this the driver's side. See how the thing just toe up? All gritty and grimy. Coming apart. That's the top. And then look at the bottom. Yeah, so they gotta go. We're gonna wipe this whole door down. You know what I'm saying? It's pretty good condition though, so we ain't gonna worry about it. Wipe the top of here. All that. But definitely these door panels gotta go. Shout out to eBay. Got these things off eBay. You know what I'm saying? Nice little OEM. You know. And like I said, I got the black screws to go with it. So yeah. So shoot. Let me get to working on this, and I'm gonna cut y'all back on. Alright? My name is Gang. Set y'all up for a little bit. Like I said, one of these I figured one of these screws would be rusted, or all of them. They giving me a time already. And I got my little screwdriver on me. Should have brought the big one. We can make it do what it do though. Money means gang. Do what you gotta do. It's turning. It's turning slow, but it's turning. I think it's time to get me a drill gun. Sometimes that's how it be. You think something's gonna be easy, and they end up taking longer than what it's supposed to be. Might be time for a drill gun. I got me one saved though, on either Amazon or eBay. One of them. That's coming too eventually. A little power drill. Come on up out of there. So that's another thing about these old cars. Certain screws ain't been turned or messed with so daggone long. They be the originals. That'd be another issue. You know, of course, you go everything brand new. That's like when they ain't got new screws too. I mean, ain't no need putting the old ones back in there. There you go. Come on up out of there. Come on up out of there, dog. Stop playing with me. Alright, that's one. How rusted that was. But shoot, let me get the rest out of here, y'all. And I'll hit you right back. Alright. Alright, y'all, we got it off, as you can see. Look how rusty them screws was. And the hard part really was this little washer nut thing that was behind it. But we got it off. I'm gonna clean this up a little bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put on a new one. So I'll hit y'all right back. Alright. But yeah, like I was saying, I knew one or two was gonna be real rusty. The other side not even really trying to move, and they not rusty. So these gave me a time though. So yeah, that's the old one. That's gone. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I'm gonna clean this up real quick, and then we're gonna install one of the new ones. Alright. That's nice and flush. Line the holes up. Some people be rigging their stuff. I know y'all know what I'm talking about. I like to have my stuff a little flush. Take my time. There's a clip back there, that's why. There's a clip back there. First. How about that? Get two backhand first. Slide the other two. sure them holes lined up. There you go. I gotta get it right there. I don't want you moving at all. And I need you sitting down. Yep. All right, y'all, let me put these screws in here. I'll hit you back. All right, y'all, so we got it in. I didn't do that side. I'm running a little short on time, but that side wasn't that bad, even though I was still gonna change it anyway. But this was the side that was really bad, but we ended up changing it. Got the new screws in there. We got the new floor mats in here. GMC, what I was talking about. Both sides. So yeah. Yes, sir. It's looking pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and just, I might keep it. I don't know. I may wash it. Matter of fact, I may just wash it and just keep it for extra. Just for backup or whatever. Definitely trash. You know what I'm saying? Them screws, like I said, trash. We went ahead and went with new screws. That's like with everything you do with these old screws. Go ahead and go with the new screws too. With the new floor mats in there. Everything we wanted to do. It's done deal for now. And like I said, I left the one, but I'm gonna go back and do it. Like I said, I'm just running a little bit out of town. Got a few other things I need to do. But it wasn't that bad like the other one. The other one, you know, hanging and everything. But we gonna change it too. But the other one, the driver's side, that's the one that was really bad. Passenger in there. So yep. Shoot, by the time y'all see this video, most likely Christmas done passed. Probably New Year's too. I think. But yeah, most likely Christmas is past. So I hope y'all had a Merry Christmas. Yeah, and Happy New Year. I hope everything was good and whatnot. And it ain't all about the gifts. It's about, you know, the love you give out, how you treat people, things like that. You pray to the man up above, he'll take care of you. So yeah, like I said, by the time y'all probably see this, it'll be past Christmas. So happy holidays and all that good stuff. You already know what's up. By any means, gang, we're doing what we gotta do. I'm just cleaning up this little stuff that's left. But yeah, she definitely come along. She definitely come from when I first got it. Details. That's it. Sport mirrors. Little antenna. Definitely coming along. Cleaning up this trash. My man's still over there working on his truck too. Last time I talked to him, he was talking about getting a new spot. I might have to text him later on. I gotta get ready to get up out of here. See what's up with him. But yeah, happy holidays, y'all. Happy New Year's and all that good stuff. Y'all stay up, keep grinding, stay blessed, keep doing what you gotta do. By any means, gang. I'm gonna catch you on the next one. All right.